Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your GameSir G7 Pro character keeps moving on its own or the camera drifts without touching the thumbsticks, you're probably dealing with stick drift. This issue can affect accuracy and make gameplay frustrating, especially in competitive titles. Stick drift on the GameSir G7 Pro can be caused by calibration settings, dust around the analog modules, outdated firmware, or temporary software glitches. Before considering repairs or replacements, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps that may help eliminate stick drift and restore normal performance on your GameSir G7 Pro. Try these. Step 1. Inspect the thumbstick area on the GameSir G7 Pro for dust or debris. Step 2. Recalibrate the analog sticks of the GameSir G7 Pro if calibration options are available. Step 3. Restart the GameSir G7 Pro to refresh its internal settings. Step 4. Check for firmware updates designed for the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 5. Test both analog sticks on the GameSir G7 Pro using a controller diagnostic tool. Step 6. Verify that the GameSir G7 Pro responds correctly during gameplay after making adjustments.